In this video, we will be setting up our environment to run Kotlin programs. First of all, we'll be needing an IDE that will help us to run our Kotlin programs. For this course, we will be choosing Intellij by JetBrains as our IDE. Intellij supports Kotlin as well as other programming languages like Python, Java, etc. To install Intellij, you can visit JetBrains' official website. Once you are on the Intellij IDE download page, you will be provided with Ultimate and Community versions of Intellij. As per your operating system, download Intellij's Community version. Once download, you can install it in your preferred folder, although the default folder is suggested. Now open Intellij IDE and select a new project. Once you are in the New Project selection menu, select Kotlin from the language selection drawer placed on the left side and name your project. After naming your project, select the console application from the project template. Select Gradle Kotlin as build system and Azul Zulu Community as project JDK. You might have to install it, then hit next, and you will be redirected to the review page. Click on Finish. Once your project is created, it will be open in a new window. Project files can be accessed from the Project tab on the left side of the window. Now your environment setup is completed and you are ready to code.